Hi everyone, this is Fariel from Techmetric, and in this video, I am going to give a high-level overview of just some updates we've made to our appointment calendar. So prior to these enhancements, we had received feedback from many of you that you would like a better way to track cancellations or no-shows. And the reason is some of y'all charge cancellation fees or do not want to service customers who consistently cancel appointments, or just simply want the appointment time to now be available when your service writers are trying to book other appointments. So now within the appointments calendar, you can mark an appointment as canceled or no-showed. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and let's say hover over an appointment, and you'll notice where the Mark Arrived button is. Now you will see a drop-down menu where you can mark it as canceled or no-showed. So in this example, I'll mark this one as canceled, and you'll see that the calendar event has been striked out and it's now kind of white and empty, similar to how the Google Calendar behaves today, if any of you have used it. The reason we will not be deleting these appointments from the calendar is many of our shops actually want to track this information within the customer's profile and view historically how many times they potentially have canceled or no-showed. Another small UI enhancement we've made is when you hover over an appointment that is kind of layered over another one, we will now bring the whole appointment up just so you guys can see icons and just see more information, especially when they are stacked. So real quick, I'm going to just mark one no-show as well, just so you guys see the difference. And we have a little title that says no-show or canceled, just so you guys can easily distinguish between the two. And you'll have the opportunity to also filter appointments just to show canceled or no-show if this is something you are interested in doing. You can also remove the status. So for an example, if this no-show person just actually arrived late just because of some traffic, let's say, you can go back and mark them arrived. It will not be something that cannot be undone. And then lastly, I just want to show you guys real quick how it will show in the customer's profile or history. So if I navigate to Rick Adams' profile and go to the appointment section, we will show historically the appointments he did not show up for or potentially canceled, just so when the customer does call back in to schedule a new appointment, your service writers or yourselves will have the opportunity to see if this is someone that frequently doesn't show up to the appointments or you no longer want to service. Lastly, for any of you who use a third-party CRM, they will be able to see the status of these appointments when pulling the appointment information in the API, because we did gather some feedback that many of you have a little heartburn when the CRM is sending appointment confirmations after someone has canceled or potentially no-showed. So this will allow your CRMs to make some enhancements for y'all when sending appointment reminders. If you have any questions on this enhancement, please do not hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you all for watching.